Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find a sound ID on Roblox and how you can copy song IDs, music IDs, or audio IDs in just a few simple steps. If you want to use sounds in your games or projects, then this video is for you, so make sure to watch till the end. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Once you are there, look at the top menu and click on the Create option. This will take you to the Roblox Creator Hub where you can manage and explore different assets. Now, from the top menu, select Store and then scroll down and click on Audio. This section contains all the available sounds and music that you can use. You can either browse through different categories or simply use the search bar to find a specific song or sound effect you are looking for. Once you find a sound that you like, click on the play button next to it to preview the audio and make sure it's the right one. After confirming, here's the important step. Right click anywhere on the sound panel and you will see an option called Copy Asset ID. Click on it and your sound ID will be copied instantly. Alternatively, you can also copy the asset link if needed and then extract the sound ID from that link to use it wherever required. This ID can be pasted into Roblox Studio or any supported area where audio IDs are needed. And that's it. Now you know how to easily find and copy sound IDs on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.